Welcome to How to Channel the Art of Marketing, Sales, and Project Management. This is the second episode in the Tips and Tricks series, Tips and Tricks in Marketing, and there will be another series on sales and a series on project management. This series will consist of episodes or sessions, and each session will contain some advice that I hope will benefit you. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Be adaptable. The marketing landscape is constantly evolving, so be adaptable and willing to adjust your strategies and tactics as needed to stay ahead of the curve. Being adaptable is a crucial skill in the marketing industry. Here are a few reasons why. Number 1. The marketing landscape is constantly changing. New technologies, platforms, and channels emerge regularly, and consumer behaviors and preferences are always evolving. Being adaptable means being willing to try new things, experiment with new strategies and tactics, and adjust your approach as needed to stay ahead of the curve. Number 2. Adapting to changing consumer needs. As consumer needs and preferences change, it's important to adapt your marketing strategies and messaging accordingly. For example, if consumer preferences shift towards sustainable products, you may need to adjust your product offerings or messaging to appeal to this trend. Number 3. Keeping up with competition. Adapting to changes in the marketing landscape is also crucial to staying competitive. Your competitors may be adopting new technologies or strategies that give them an advantage, so being adaptable means being willing to adopt these strategies or develop your own unique approaches to stay competitive. Number 4. Measuring success and adjusting accordingly. Being adaptable also means being willing to measure your success and adjust your strategies and tactics accordingly. By regularly tracking your results and adjusting your approach as needed, you can optimize your marketing efforts for greater success over time. By staying up to date with industry trends, being willing to try new strategies and tactics, and adapting to changing consumer needs and preferences, you can stay ahead of the curve and achieve better results in your marketing efforts. Tip number 2. Be consistent. Consistency is key in marketing. Make sure to stay consistent in your messaging, branding, and customer service efforts across all channels and platforms. Consistency is a crucial element of successful marketing. Here are a few reasons why. Number 1. Build brand recognition. Consistency in your messaging and branding helps build brand recognition. When customers see the same messaging, imagery, and branding across all channels and platforms, it helps them identify and remember your brand. Number 2. Build trust. Consistency in your customer service efforts helps build trust with your customers. When you consistently provide high-quality customer service, it helps customers feel confident in your brand and builds loyalty. Number 3. Establish credibility. Consistency in your messaging and branding also helps establish credibility. When you consistently deliver on your promises and provide a consistent customer experience, it helps establish your brand as trustworthy and reliable. Number 4. Streamline processes. Consistency can also help streamline processes within your organization. By establishing consistent processes for marketing, branding, and customer service, you can create efficiencies and reduce errors. Overall, consistency is a key element of successful marketing. By staying consistent in your messaging, branding, and customer service efforts across all channels and platforms, you can build brand recognition, establish trust and credibility with your customers, and streamline processes within your organization. Tip number 3. Be patient and persistent. Marketing is a long-term game, so be patient and persistent in your efforts. Building a strong brand and a loyal customer base takes time and effort, but the results can be well worth it in the end. Being patient and persistent is essential to achieving success in marketing. Here are a few reasons why. Number 1. Building brand awareness and loyalty takes time. Building a strong brand and a loyal customer base takes time and effort. It requires consistent messaging, branding, and customer service efforts over an extended period of time. By being patient and persistent in your marketing efforts, you can gradually build brand awareness and establish a loyal customer base. Number 2. Marketing results can take time to materialize. Marketing results are not always immediate. It can take time for your efforts to start generating leads, conversions, or revenue. By being patient and persistent, you can continue to refine your strategies and tactics until you start seeing the desired results. Number 3. Consistency is key to success. As mentioned earlier, consistency is a crucial element of successful marketing. By being patient and persistent in your efforts, you can establish consistent processes and messaging that build brand recognition and trust over time. Number 4. Competition is fierce. Competition is fierce in the marketing industry, and it can be challenging to stand out in a crowded market. By being patient and persistent, you can gradually build your brand and customer base, even in a highly competitive environment. Overall, being patient and persistent is essential to achieving success in marketing. By staying focused on your goals, being consistent in your efforts, and continuing to refine your strategies and tactics, you can gradually build a strong brand and establish a loyal customer base over time. Tip number 4. Build a strong brand identity. A strong brand identity can help you stand out from the competition and create a memorable impression with your audience. Building a strong brand identity is a crucial aspect of marketing, as it can help you differentiate your business from competitors and create a memorable impression with your audience. Here are a few reasons why. Number 1. Differentiate from competitors. A strong brand identity can help differentiate your business from competitors in your industry. By developing a unique brand personality, voice, and visual identity, you can create a distinct impression with your audience and stand out in a crowded marketplace. Number 2. Create brand recognition. A strong brand identity can help create brand recognition, making it easier for customers to remember and identify your brand. This can be achieved through consistent branding across all channels and touchpoints, such as your website, social media, packaging, and advertising. Number 3. Build trust and credibility. A strong brand identity can help build trust and credibility with your audience. By communicating your brand values, mission, and personality, you can establish a deeper connection with your customers and foster a sense of loyalty and trust. Number 4. Support business growth. A strong brand identity can support business growth by making it easier to expand into new markets and product lines. A well-established brand can help create a platform for new offerings, making it easier to build trust and credibility with new audiences. Overall, building a strong brand identity is a crucial aspect of marketing that can help differentiate your business from competitors, create brand recognition, build trust and credibility, and support business growth. By investing in branding and messaging that resonates with your target audience, you can create a lasting impression with your customers and drive long-term business success. Tip number 5. Collaborate with other businesses. Collaborating with other businesses in your industry or niche can help you reach new audiences and build valuable partnerships. Collaborating with other businesses can be a great way to expand your reach, build relationships, and gain new customers. Here are some ways to collaborate with other businesses. Number 1. Co-marketing campaigns. Collaborate with another business to create a joint marketing campaign that promotes both of your brands. This can include co-branded content, events, or social media campaigns. Number 2. Joint promotions. Create a joint promotion with another business, such as a discount code or giveaway, that encourages customers to shop at both of your businesses. Number 3. Cross-selling. Partner with another business to offer complementary products or services to your customers. This can help you reach new audiences and provide added value to your customers. Number 4. Referral programs. Create a referral program with another business where you refer customers to each other, helping to build your customer base and strengthen your relationship. When collaborating with another business, it's important to find a partner whose values and brand align with yours. This can help ensure that the collaboration is successful and that it resonates with both of your audiences. Overall, collaborating with other businesses can be a powerful way to build relationships, expand your reach, and gain new customers. By working together, you can create mutually beneficial partnerships that help both of your businesses grow. And until here, we have come to the end of today's video, in a series of marketing tips and tricks. Thank you and very proud of you. I hope you benefited, and I hope I didn't take up too much of your time, and I will see you in a new episode. If you liked the video, press like, follow and subscribe.